Preparing for Cisco network exams can be challenging, but with the right resources, you can ace them. Get the best study materials and tips for effective learning. Welcome to Hussein IT Labs. Today, we're breaking down the essential study materials you need to succeed. First up, make sure you have the latest Cisco certification guidebooks and take plenty of practice exams. Flashcards and interactive tools can help reinforce key concepts and make studying more engaging. Next, setting up a home lab allows you to get hands-on experience with real network equipment. Plus, creating a study schedule helps you stay organized and ensures you cover all the topics. And don't forget to join study groups and online forums. Collaborating with others can provide new insights and keep you motivated. Whether you're taking mock exams or reviewing your answers, practice is key to mastering the material. So, join us on our channel for in-depth tutorials, expert tips, and strategies to ace your Cisco exams. Hit that subscribe button and get ready to conquer your Cisco network exams. See you there.